And we should be live. Let me go look. Let me go look. View channel. Should be live. Yes, sir. There we go. Your boy's live. Alright. Alright, so oh snap. No. Bam. Minimize. As you can see, took a L on AVGO. That's 2 dubs for the week and 1 L. You put L. Oh, dang, how can I put L in green? Let me see. Text. L. Green. Took a L. That's fine. That's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? 2 dubs, 1 L, same week. Long as we on top. Long as we on top. That's what really matters. Fix this up. What's up with my computer taking 3 years, man? What you doing? They trying to block me from being great, bro. Bro. There we go. We done came down. Here we go. There we go. Came up, bam. Hopefully we get a pullback. If we get a pullback, then I'm gonna be looking for buys. Pullback somewhere in here. Looking for buys. I'm gonna keep that on the. I'm gonna keep an outlook on that one. So we got gold. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Do I got a lot of? I do. Maybe this might help. Hopefully, let's see if that helps. But yeah, got that done. I mean, that's looking like to the upside for sure. Two. VOO doing this thing. Dollar Tree going up. Everything on the up. Wow. Oh, this. Let me go look at the 4 hour. Yeah, everything on the up and up. We waiting for a pullback of some sort. 4 hour. I could really. I could see this continuing to the upside. One. Boom. Boom. I would need more of a pullback though. So 4 hour daily. I think this one look good on a daily if I can. Yeah. Really, I'm gonna be waiting for a pullback of some sort. Deck. So it's looking like we starting to head to the come back to the upside. By the way, my charts is inverted. I need to always remember to say that in the beginning of the thing, in the beginning of the live. But my charts is inverted. So the green is up. But yeah, we came back here. Pulled back, had a deep retracement. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm hoping we do something like this. But either way, I'm waiting for some kind of pullback. Some kind of pullback. Hopefully it don't just drop like this and keep dropping. But I'm waiting for a pullback. If it come up to this area by like the 82, I'm gonna buy some shares and I'm gonna be looking for day trades on it. So we got Home Depot on the monthly going down. Got some wick outs up here. Let me see. Yeah, it don't really have nothing that look like this. Just look like some new stuff kind of. But not really. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. Bam, bam. Dum, dum, dum. We're just at a peculiar spot in the market right here though. But it looks like sales. 4 hour. If it come back down to here and start creating some consolidation, then I'll be looking for sales for sure. But that's the only way I'll be looking to get into that. I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. That one looked pretty good. IBM, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Weekly shows it very clear. Lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, low low, lower high, low low, lower high, lower low. Now where do I think we're at in this process? You know. Let me see. I don't even know. It ain't really nothing that look like this right here. Cause I be looking for pattern recognition. I try to recognize patterns. And so as of now, boom, boom, boom. Lower high, lower low. Yeah, it's kind of. This is not really too interested in this one right now. Uh-oh. Okay, we good. Testing. All right, yeah, we good. We good. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. It's the higher low. I mean, lower high. Bam, bam, bam. I'll wait for a pullback somewhere in this area, and then it can hit that upwards. This AVGO took a L on that today. Took a L on that one for sure. AZN weekly. Doom, 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 doom. Daily still creating lower highs, lower lows. I think we're starting to create some consolidation on the daily. As you can see, this is the previous lower high, lower low on the minor structure. On the major structure, it's really this boom, 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 boom. But on the minor structure, you can see it's this right here. So since we ain't past that yet, we came back up, retested, come down, create a point, come up, come down, boom. Probably gonna come back up, retest somewhere in this area to start heading back down, or it's just about to drop. I like this one. I like this one a lot. To take it to the upside for a while, but I'm not gonna take a trade on it because it's not. That's more like a probably next week type thing. That's not really a today, or it could be. It could do it today, but I'll be looking for, like I said, I'll probably be looking for a bit of that, looking for that retracement to the upside for a little bit. To the downside for the real markets, and then come this way. AZO. Let's go to the daily. AutoZone starting to create some consolidation around this area. It looks like it's about to start hitting back to the upside. Potentially. Or if we shoot past, then it's probably going to come back up to this area like it did over here. But it's probably going to take some time. AVO. O'Reilly. Yep, coming back up. Look, I think I said this in the past couple lives, waiting for this to come back up. If it come back up, hit this area, then I'm looking to get in. Looking to get in for sure. Cause that looks too good, man. O'Reilly, one of my favorite ones for real. But LMT, look at the monthly. Bam, 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 bam. Daily creating higher. Boom, 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 boom. How I really look for sales. I mean, for the day, it might be buys, but it probably will be buys for the day. But if it gets somewhere near here, shh, I'll probably get in sales and hold that over the weekend. You know what I mean? For next week, look at that. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's definitely gonna keep heading down. Most likely. Most likely. Bam, 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 bam. 4 hour. Still creating lower highs, lower lows. I might get yeah, I might get into this for the day. Let me look. Let me see how much they cost, man. LOW. Dang. What they got? Nah, that spread too crazy. They got like $300 spread. Nah, no sir. Can't do it. Can't do it. I refuse. I refuse. I refuse, bruh. I might just delete them from my list if that's how they looking all the time. $300 spread is ridiculous. Weekly looks like we're at the bottom of said uh, higher low. Could potentially be here, somewhere like here to start. So I would say probably I would be looking for sales, which is this way. Depending on how this 4 hour close. If this 4 hour don't close below that, let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not too sure. This one's in a. It's kind of in a crazy spot as of right now. Apple. Look at the 4 hour coming up, coming back up. Creating some consolidation near this area right here. Shoot, if it come up anywhere in between here, I'll say it's good for buys next week. I'm not really interested in it this week, but next If it come up anywhere in here next week, then I'll be looking for buys. Ooh, I could have stayed in this all week, bro. Oh wait, this was last week, wasn't it? No, that was this week. I could have stayed in this all week and ran it up, bro. I knew I could have too. I knew I could have, bro. That would have been 188 to 198. That would have been. Should. It's all good, bro. It's a learning lesson. I be getting out too soon. I be getting out way too soon. I be getting out way too soon, especially for ones that I know could really go. You know what I mean? Like this one. But it's all good. It's all good. Still looking good for buys next week too. So RTX. Let's see what's up with that. We starting to do somewhat like some of this. Bam, bam, bam. I'll be looking for sales as of right now. Yeah, this one, the weekly don't really show no pattern. 4 hour. Dun dun dun. Dun dun. I think we still need to pull back a little bit more. So I'll wait for it to come down like somewhere in here. And if it do that, then I'll get in for sales. Starbucks. Look at this consolidation. But I think it's about to head to the upside. You know what I'm saying? This right here, consolidation. Probably next week, maybe. Head to the upside. Ooh, look, bro. I said it too. I said it, bro. I wrote that. But could have been in the money. Sell opportunity possible. Boom, 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 boom. It's all good. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it's all good. Team loss. Boom, boom. All right. Just had a pullback. Let me see. Bam. Looks like we're like could be in this, doing this right here. Probably creating some consolidation to continue going up. So as of right now, it's probably doing like one of these. You know what I'm saying? I think this is what it's doing. So I just wait for a little pullback, or you can get in right now to head to the downside. But I ain't even finna. I'm just finna cruise through it. Cause dang, look how beautiful that looks. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a pullback on that. But yeah, cat, that keep going. Uber came back up. The retest. This could be doing anything, but this thing going crazy. Down. Yep. Shopify. Bam. Bam. Same spot. Head and shoulders right here to continue to the upside. I'll be waiting for a pullback. Next week, probably get the pullback to keep going up. Oh, I'm about to get in this for the day. I think I'm about to get in this for the day. Well, let me check. Well, for shit. So, see, City Group. Yeah, I'm about to get in for the day. Hopefully it got me in. Bam. Option J. So this the one yeah. $12.05 25. Time is it 10:13 13. Wow. That's what I'm doing just for the day. We hit like 109. 109, 110. I'm getting out for sure. 109, 110. I'm getting out for sure. But we hit 110. Ooh, that'll be crazy. But if we come up here, that's gonna suck. Yeah, I'm tripping though. I should have waited for close. Maybe it might juke me out. I should have waited for close of the candle, but it is what it is, man. I got in, bro. I think it's gonna continue. Well, it still do gotta close, bro. It could get a, but the way this one move, when it gets in a good trend, it gets in a good trend. You know what I'm saying? And We gonna see, bro. We gonna see. We gonna see. 13, 15, 15. We had this big jump. Could do something like this or something. Just start consolidating, possibly. But with this big jump, I'm thinking this, I don't know. It could just consolidate. But we just surpassed. You know what I mean? We just surpassed this. So that's not what I'm thinking. Is most likely is head to the upside. Fifteen, 1 hour. We'll see, bro. We shall see. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking at for today. I'm looking at City, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching. You know what I'm saying? Have a good day, bro. Peace.